What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and shout out to Team Pixel. They sent your boy out the Google Pixel Watch, the LTE version, and as you can see, it's got that Fitbit integration. But I just wanted to unbox it with y'all and share it with you guys. It's Wear OS by Google. Hey Google, Google branding on the side. So here we have it. As you can see, it's kind of like they said, it's a teardrop design. It's circular. It kind of like curves on both sides to make that teardrop design on the edge. And as you can see, we got a nice little button to turn on here. Got a nice little knob on here. Looks classy. I got a big wrist, so I want to see if it looks kind of dainty on my wrist or not. But let's just get it out the box. So as you can see at the bottom of the box, you're gonna have your books and things of that nature. Now that's just why I was on this cover, but let's get a closer look. As you can see, nice stainless steel design. Got these nice black bands, soft touch. I like something soft. When you wear bands made out of different metals, they can be kind of rough. And this is the clasp right here, kind of like a sports band on this thing. So I'm gonna take it off. Let's see what else is in here. You got a replacement band up here, and you got the charger. Kind of look like a charger you would get with an Apple Watch. Now, one thing I'm curious about is connectivity. Okay, so the charger got a nice little magnetic feel to the back of the watch. Not super tight, but something that'll keep it in place. As you can see on the watch, we've got the knob. We've got a button on here. Look like maybe a speaker on this side. Let me go ahead and try it on. I'm gonna power it on and put it on my wrist. So that is on my wrist, powered on. Nice deep colors. I like the colors on the screen, guys. The colors have a nice saturation to them on the screen as the watch is cutting on. Okay, guys, so the watch wants to pair with the phone immediately. I don't want to do a whole setup video right now, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is the unboxing. It's your man BG Tech Life. We're gonna be right back with some 2-day reviews, some week reviews, some 2-week reviews, and we're gonna come back with a setup. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.